room, the steps. I had so many things I needed. I was overwhelmed. Now I feel like I have a nice little space of peace in my mind that I'm not worrying about the house in. You know, so it's beautiful to know that all these people are helping me, and they're still good and idealistic spirit in the world.
Don't fall.
Big, beautiful tree, and it'll bloom all the time with those red lanterns. And I'm not sure what this is, but it looks nice. I'm sure this would be a big, probably flowering fruit tree, right?
Cool. Danica, why are you taping the window?
We have to mask the window so we don't get paint on it when we paint it.
Ah, cool. What color are you painting it?
White.
Not blue? You should paint it Notre Dame colors. Why are you wearing those things? How long have you been working on the house?
Just today, I just started.